According to automotive research firm SBD and here, government and private sector should look at existing mobile network infrastructure and be prepared to embrace data liberalization. In a joint white paper, SBD and here argue that Intelligent Transportation System or ITS managers can avoid the pitfalls that have plagued many ITS projects during the last decade. According to SBD and here, some $89 billion have been spent on large-scale ITS schemes which have either failed to meet their stated objectives or suffered lengthy delays.
Intergraph Government Solutions or IGS has backed a contract by the US Department of Agriculture, US Forest Service to provide image processing software across the US Forest Service enterprise. IGS will provide capabilities for core image processing and photogrammetry through Hexagon Geospatial's powerful portfolio, including AirDust Imagine for remote sensing and Imagine photogrammetry. Integration of these two products into the organization allows the US Forest Service to perform mission-critical image processing and analysis on nearly 200 million acres of land for objectives such as forest restoration and emergency response to wildfires.
MDS Information Systems Group has released two new RadarSat-2 imaging modes for commercial use. These modes will enhance the capabilities of RadarSat-2 satellite. The ship detection mode provides superior ship detection capability for ships 25 meters in length over areas as large as 450 kilometers into 500 kilometers in a single RadarSat-2 scene. This is ideal for applications such as illegal fishing and sovereignty protection. The ocean surveillance mode can image areas as large as 530 kilometers into 500 kilometers in a single scene. It includes monitoring of ocean features like detecting oil on water, ice and wind analysis. The RadarSat-2 satellite has global high-resolution surveillance capabilities. Apple has been working on improving Apple Maps with a focus on advanced mapping technology. The company is reportedly working from its new R&D center in Sweden. Apple in recent months has expanded its fleet of vans surveying streets around United States and other countries with a variety of sensors. Apple confirmed that the data collected from vehicles will be used to improve Apple Maps in the future, likely with street-level imagery similar to Google Street View.